Good morning, children. In science, we are dealing with chapter 8 Animals, How Life Goes On. Under this chapter, we have studied about the importance of reproduction. Different animals reproduce in different ways. Those are under two methods. They are giving birth to the young ones and by laying eggs. In our last class, we studied about mammals. Mammals are animals, those give birth to the young ones and they feed with their milk and they are taking care of their babies till they become adult. In this class, we are going to learn about animals which give birth to their young ones by laying eggs. Okay, some animals lay eggs. Under this topic, first we will see about birds. We all know birds reproduce by laying eggs. Most of birds build nest to lay eggs. They sit on the eggs to keep them warm. After some time, the eggs hatch and baby birds come out. We all very familiar about birds. Most birds build nest on the trees or on the caves or somewhere else to lay eggs. They sit on the eggs to keep them warm. They lay eggs in the nest and they are sit on the eggs to keep them warm. It will not take place in a single day or in a week. Okay, every bird has a different incubation period. Incubation period means the duration between egg to baby. The incubation period of every bird differs. Okay, the bird sit on the eggs to keep them warm. Okay, it will continue for about 21 or 28 days. It is up to the bird's nature. Okay, so the bird sit on the eggs to keep them warm and the young ones will come out as a baby bird after few days or some weeks later. The eggs of all birds have a similar internal structure. All the eggs are similar in their internal structure. Each egg has a hard protective outer shell. That outer shell is made of calcium. So only it is harder. Within the shell is a egg white called the albumen. The egg white is known as albumin. Within the albumin is the round yellow yolk. The white part of the egg is known as albumin, which is rich in protein, and the yellow part of the egg is known as egg yolk. The chick is formed and grows inside the yolk. A growing baby is called an embryo. For every bird, the chick, that is a young bird, is growing inside the egg yolk. Okay, the growing baby is called an embryo. The chick embryo uses the yolk as its food. Okay, the embryo gets its food from the egg yolk, that is yellow part of the egg. The embryo develops only if the egg is kept warm. Because of this only the mother bird sits on the egg, okay, to keep the eggs warm. The chick comes out after 21 days. Here we have a pictorial representation of the egg to becoming a bird, baby bird. Okay, in this picture we can clearly see the embryo appears as a red spot in the yolk. This is the red spot which appears inside the embryo. This is the beginning stage. Okay, after laying the eggs, the mother bird used to sit on the egg. So by keeping them warm, first step is the formation of red spot, that is the egg yolk. Okay, next is 4th day. After 4 days, the embryo becomes clear. Eye-like structure has been formed. Okay, then the 8th day, large eyes are seen. First organ formed of the bird is eyes. 2 eyes, large eyes have been formed. And at the 12th day, wings, legs and other body parts of a chick has been clearly seen. Okay, at this stage the embryo, that is a baby bird, obtains its nutrients completely from the egg yolk. Okay, it has the complete body development. Then after the 21st day, okay, 21st day, the chick comes out of the egg by breaking the shell of the egg. The chick comes out of the egg. So this is the process that explains how the chick develops from the embryo and comes out of the eggshell. By breaking the eggshell, the chicks automatically comes out of the egg at the 21st day. Next we will discuss about other egg laying animals. Not only birds but animals like frogs and fishes to lay eggs. Frogs are known as amphibians because amphibian means they live in land and in water. Okay, so frogs are known as amphibians. And fishes, they live only in water. Okay, these animals also reproduce by laying eggs. They lay their eggs in water. They care for their babies only for a short time. Okay, unlike birds and mammals, these egg laying animals like fish and frogs, they will not take much care about their babies. Okay, for only short period of time they are taking care of their babies. A frog's egg develops into a tadpole. It keeps growing and slowly changes into an adult. A frog lays egg. Frog lays eggs in water and after few days that eggs are developed into tadpole. Tadpole, it looks like a fish. They are similar to fish but they are not fish. They are young one of frog. Okay, after few days that tail like structure will be cut off and the frog will grow into an adult. Okay, this is the life cycle, that is reproduction of frogs. Next is about fish. A fish lays thousands of eggs at a time in water. At a time they are able to lay thousands of eggs, but out of these only a few hundred grow into baby fish. Many eggs and baby fish are eaten up by big fish in the water bodies. Reptiles like lizards, turtles and snakes lay their eggs in holes in the ground. We know the reptiles like lizards, turtles, snakes, they lay their eggs in the holes in the ground. After laying the eggs, some mothers go away and never come back. Some of these animals, after laying their eggs, they will never come to that place. They will go away from that place. Many eggs are eaten up by other animals. Some omnivore animals and birds like crow, eagle, such birds will take up that egg for their food. Some eggs get warmth from the sun's heat. Due to heat of the sun, they are getting warmth and they are hatched into a young ones. So far we have discussed about the reproduction method of mammals, human beings and birds and other egg laying animals like frogs and fish. Okay, in our next class we will discuss about insects like grasshopper and cockroaches and their life cycle. Okay children, thank you.